Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to remove watermark in PDFfiller. So let's go straight into it. Now, if you have the file with watermark, what you are need to do now is locate the watermark icon here at the top toolbar, so which is right here at the end, and click on that icon. Now what you will see here is basically watermark date and so on. So click on this watermark here, and as you can see here, you can simply just remove it that way, because PDFfiller detects watermark and then you can just turn it off. So basically uncheck the watermark box and this will immediately disappear on your page, on your file. And when you are done, you can just hit save, and that's basically it. So you have successfully removed the watermark. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next